you to the nation's favourite magical matchmaker. It's Paddy McGuinness. It's Paddy McGuinness. Okay. Audience of the ASNaC Society You'll Play 2025, please join me in welcoming to the stage the totally not Paddy McGuinness knockoff, Bridget McStrongbow.
Welcome back to Take Me Out to the church so that we can be lawfully wedded. To make some change so ITV got off our case. And also Jakob, who keeps talking about how this show's going to turn out exactly like that monastery of Colium. Anyway, tonight we have, in the words of Queen Beyoncé herself, 3 single ladies looking for the man of their fantasies, but not too fantasy. Because, you know, Wolfstan is always watching. And if I have to get one more sermon on why this show is a terrible idea, I might just lose it. So, without further ado, bring on the ladies! For the first time in television history, ladies and gentlemen, we have a swarm of beautiful women of all ages and from all ages here with us tonight. Let's catch up with a few of them. St. Æthelred for the evening. Now this is a dating, although it's more of a marriage show, but anyway, isn't eternal celibacy more your style? You know what, I won't go into it, it's fine. How about Æthelred of Wessex? May I say you're looking absolutely radiant this evening. So, what kind of husband are you hoping to find?
Hello everyone. I'm actually not quite sure what I'm looking for. My dad is kind of making me do this, so...
Oh yes, dear old dad, of course. Say, Æthelred, for the purposes of continuity and your comfort, how would you feel about pretending that Æthelred here is not your mother for the evening? Just for the sake of our audience. I mean, I know the House of Wessex looked a bit dodgy from the outside, but there's no use adding to the speculation.
Sure.
Wonderful. Well, now, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's see if Alfred knows how to use those jewels. Single man, reveal yourself!
I'm Alfred, King of Wessex, but, you know, I'm hoping that tonight you'll give me the chance to show you exactly why they call me the Great.
Alfred, my boy, so good to see you here. Ladies, let me tell you, this man's been putting the ass back in Assa for years now. I mean, oh no, yes, he's a very eligible young bachelor with absolutely no relationship with any Welsh intellectual who comes to stay within court for a long period of time per year. Round up! Let's see if Alfred can keep these ladies' lights on.
Alright, ladies. I'm one of those kings who's known for my system of widely intricate fortresses. I'm hoping that, you know, after tonight, my fortresses won't be the only thing under me that are intricately linked, if you know what I mean.
One out of the first round, bad luck, mate. Say, Alfred, do you have any special skills that might interest either of these 2 beautiful ladies?
Special skills? Are you joking? Odin's beard practically shaved itself at the sight of me. Special skills? My special skill is being Alfred the absolutely bloody fantastic.
It looks like we might have a potential match. Elsa, what exactly is it that drew you to Alfred?
Well, I mean, have you seen him? He's just so cool. And have you seen his education? I mean, I've reformed with him anytime.
Well.
Alfred, Alfikins! Where's my Wessex boy? Alfred, son of Æthelred! What?
Hello, I said.
What have you... I didn't know you liked women.
It's not you, it's the macho ideology of 9th century England. I mean, I need to be a man.
Alfred,
our vows. You've broken our trust. You've broken my heart. I don't need any sights anyway. I'm going back to St. David's. I'm going to read in Bennaith and Prydain and sing it very loudly, and I'm going to sing, read Gildas and all of his works and live. Yeah, okay, well, sorry, but that doesn't usually happen. Anyway, Alfred and Æthelred, what a beautiful match we've made. So, normally, guys, you'd be off to the Isle of Fernando! But today we're going to send you through the doors there, because the limited funds the ASNaC Society, so sorry.
Come on.
Now, you two enjoy your... Goodness me! Alfred's been struck down, but only to my Cupid's arrow, ladies and gentlemen.
Do I have to do everything? Do I have to do everything for you?
Sorry for that slight technical issue, everybody. Let's just carry on with the show. Now, time to let the scribe see the scriptorium, as they say. Will the next single man please reveal himself?
My shirt so sexy,
Hello, ladies! My name's Æthelred, Lord of the Mercians. Now, I may not be King of the Mercians, not sure whose fault that is, but I sure hope to be the king of your hearts.
Okay, right. Well, ladies, time for round one. You know the drill.
No lighty, no lighty.
Right, so, being leader of the Mercians... being spokesperson of the Mercians isn't quite all it's cracked up to be, ladies. The Welsh are constantly up my arse. I'm sure it might be impressive that some guy built a really cool dike like 100 years ago. But still, it's so hard being me! God!
Alliance!
Huh?
London! Stupid eye! It's a great alliance.
Well,
Can I reconsider?
No, well, it looks like we might have another match this evening. Yeah, Æthelred, I lost what drew you to Æthelred, but we don't have really time to unpack all of that, so Right, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause for our matches this evening? Right, off we go, yeah, through this horse. And it looks like streaming time is up. That's all we've got time for this evening, ladies and gentlemen. What a show. So, good night, thank you for coming, and we'll see you next time on Take Me Out to the church so that we can be lawfully wedded. Good night!